There was a boy who came into this world with the hands of a holy woman in a holy place. He wore a red coat and walked a bulldog. He saw them reflected in the mirror of the lakes. He lived in the shadow of the mountains with the smells of disinfectant, dusty old leather on the polished wood of his bed. No more than a baby feeding swans on the river, holding the hand of his mother on the wax paper bag of yesterday's bread. And his father on the other side of the world, on the ship's railings in some faraway tide, with the silent dry tear of poor thoughts from abroad in his faraway eyes. In his smell of the wax on the wooden floor, mixture of polish and soap. No children to fear or to play with, rows of empty hooks for the coats, an upright piano and the boys in the choir remind him of just before he was born. Remind him of just before he was breathing. Strange misty visions of gods. Turn the cities into families. With their houses invisible, send to me the ghost of Christmas, whispering, you're the only one. And ever since I was a boy, I never felt that I belonged. Like everything they did to me was an experiment to see how I would cope with the illusion. Which direction would I choose? Would I Said he came home from the Navy, took us back to his dirty grey hometown, and he worked down a coal mine for national service so that he could be around. There was a magical purple in the chrome of the exhaust of his Triumph motorbike, and a warmth of oil and metal and the thrill of the hard corner all the time. From the horizon came home from the Navy to the mine, from the horizon to buried alive, took his dream underground, buried his treasure in his faraway eyes. And one day as the boy lay sleeping in the sunlight of the half-remembered afternoon, crowd of bees with no particular aim and no brain found the boy and decided that it's time to go. Came down out of the sky, stung him in the face again and again. Blue pain, screaming like baptism, intravenous, Jesus, like we had chosen. But something with no brain, blue pain, it's happening again. It's happening again. Oh, mommy, daddy, will you sit a while with me? Oh, mommy, daddy, will you jog my memory? Tell me tall tales of Montego Bay, flying fish, banana spiders, pots of paint, and the sun on the equator, setting like an ember thrown to deep water, from crimson to black. We're coming back tomorrow. On the Steve Roderick. We'd like to thank you. We'd like to thank you for being with us here tonight, placing your faith in us, placing your trust in us, giving back to us what we give to you, only 10 times more. I'd like to thank you. The blue plane fades to a point where it doesn't fade. It's fate. Blue. Unstirred his red coat heart to this strange engine. This puzzle